Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. Excuse the lighting. I know it's not that good. Well, we're getting ready to travel, but let me show you something here, the Airtags, how I use the Airtags, and they're very simple. You know, you can get this package right here with 4 of them. You can get them in the link below, and they'll be there overnight. Or you can pick them up Walmart, whatever, but the easiest way is just to get them overnight from this link below. And I also have these little keychain holder things. So I'm going to show you how this works. It's pretty simple. I got one out the package already. And I also have this little AirTag thing I put in my wallet. And you can just pop that out. It comes right out. But I put this in my wallet so I can track my wallet, or if I lose my wallet. Thing I like about AirTag is the precision tracking. If you lose your package or bag, your computer or your wallet, you can do precision tracking within maybe 30 or 40 feet. And you can also turn on the, like if you leave, it'll give you a notification that you left your wallet behind or your computer behind whenever you get a certain distance. I think it's maybe 70, 80 feet away. It'll send you like a little alert to your phone, say, hey, you left your wallet behind. But I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put these AirTags, link your AirTags to your phone. Real simple. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out. And it comes with 4 of them in this package. Like I said, you can look in the description below, and there's a link if you want to purchase these. But I've already set 2 of them up, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up. You take one of these out, and what you do, you just take this cover off. And then you put your phone over here close by your AirTag, and you just pull this little plastic piece out, and what it would do would activate your battery. You hear that sound? And there you go. Just follow the instructions right there. Shows the AirTag is detected it. Hit connect, and I'm gonna call this one right here, I'm gonna put it on my luggage, so I'm gonna call it luggage. And then you hit continue, and it gives you information, you agree and all that. Hit agree, and that's it. And you just hit done. So you go to Find My right here on your phone, and you can go down to items here, and it tells you which one you got. Like you see, I got the one for my key to my Tundra. Also, the one I just added was my luggage and my wallet. So if I want to track my luggage, check this out. I'm gonna hit luggage, and I'm gonna move this over out the way. I'm gonna hit find, and look at that. It's right over here. And I'm gonna just bring it closer to me. Watch what happens. See? I'm bringing it closer and closer, and there you go, it's here. So I'm gonna move it away. So it's about almost a feet away, and I'm gonna keep bringing it closer and closer. And if I turn it this way, it'll also give you an arrow to where to go. Closer, and there you go, I'm right there on it. So, and if somebody find this, and the thing about this, I'm gonna hit exit. If you're in the facility or within the distance of it, or you get out of distance, if somebody see this AirTag, it's gonna give them a message, and they can click on it, and it'll give you the number and everything, and they can contact you and say, hey, you left your computer behind. But if you within the range of them and your computer, they will not get an alert. So if I leave this thing 5 or 6 miles away and somebody that's got an iPhone, it'll send them a little beep saying, hey, it's an AirTag close by. And they can, if they see the AirTag, they can scan it or hit the information on their phone, and it'll give them the information, my phone number, and they can call me, send me a text message, say, we found your bag, is here. But I'm gonna show you how to use this little keychain here. It gives you little instructions. And if you like me, bad about reading instructions, it tells you how to use this thing right here. And it's real simple, but if you don't read the instructions, you're gonna probably end up breaking it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this works right here. You can just take your AirTag and you put it in here, and you put the cover, turn it right there, and then turn it clockwise, and it locks it in together. That's it. So to unlock it, don't try to get a knife and pry it out. Just turn it counterclockwise. If I got some fingernails here, you see that? Turn it and come loose. So to put it on, you put it like that and you push it together. And then you take your little keychain, put it in, and you're good. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.